For centuries, humanity has looked up at the night sky and asked the same question. Are we alone? Not in poetry or philosophy, but literally. Is there another world out there where something breathes, thinks, builds, and looks back at the stars the same way we do? For years, the answer remained hidden behind distance, darkness, and silence. Then the James Webb Space Telescope turned its infrared eyes toward one of the closest exoplanets to Earth, Proxima b, a rocky world orbiting the nearest star system to our own. And something strange appeared. Not a simple atmospheric signal, not just methane or water vapor, but a faint, steady glow coming from the planet's night side. A glow that did not behave like ordinary reflected starlight. A glow that some believe could resemble artificial illumination. The kind of light a civilization might produce if it had cities, energy systems, and technology advanced enough to reshape its world. If that interpretation is even close to being true, then this would not be the discovery of microbes. It would be the first possible sign of intelligence beyond Earth. And the most terrifying part is not how far away Proxima b is. It is how close. Proxima b has always been different. It is not just another exoplanet buried somewhere in the distant galaxy. It orbits Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our Sun, only about 4.24 light-years away. In cosmic terms, that is almost next door. Of course, next door in space is still an astonishing distance. With our current technology, reaching it would be an almost impossible challenge. But compared to planets hundreds or thousands of light-years away, Proxima b is one of the most accessible alien worlds we know. That is why scientists have watched it so closely. Proxima b lies within the habitable zone of its star, the region where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist on the planet's surface if the atmosphere is stable enough. That single fact made it one of the most exciting worlds ever discovered because liquid water is one of the essential ingredients for life as we understand it. But Proxima b also has a problem. Its star is a red dwarf. Red dwarfs are small, dim, and extremely common in the Milky Way, but they can also be violent. They flare, erupt, and send bursts of radiation into space that could strip away a planet's atmosphere and leave its surface exposed, dry, and hostile. For years, Proxima b was seen as both promising and dangerous, a potentially Earth-like world orbiting the wrong kind of star, living beneath a sky that might constantly threaten its survival. Yet Webb's observations suggested that the planet may not be as lifeless as many feared because something on its night side appeared to glow. When astronomers study exoplanets, they usually search for chemical fingerprints. They look for water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and other gases that reveal what an atmosphere is made of. Sometimes those signals hint at habitability, and sometimes they even raise the possibility of biology. But this time, the mystery was not only chemical, it was visual. A faint glow appeared on the dark side of Proxima b, the side that should not be receiving direct light from its star. What made the signal so unusual was its steadiness. It did not behave like a random flash or a temporary burst of radiation. It did not fit easily into the simplest natural explanations. That is where the possibility becomes extraordinary. Could the glow be artificial? Could it come from city-like illumination? Could there be organized technology on the surface of a world just over 4 light-years away? On Earth, the night side of our planet is covered in artificial light. Cities, highways, ports, industrial regions, and electrical grids shine into space as unmistakable signatures of civilization. To an advanced observer, Earth would not only appear habitable, it would appear inhabited. So if a similar glow is truly coming from Proxima b, the implications would be enormous. It could mean that an intelligent civilization exists there today, or that one existed in the past, leaving behind structures or automated systems still glowing in the darkness. Either possibility would change history. This would not be a fossil, a buried microbe, or a chemical clue hidden in an atmosphere. It would be technology. And technology implies intelligence. If Proxima b really has artificial lights, then the next question becomes even more fascinating. How could a civilization survive there? Proxima Centauri is not a calm, sun-like star. It is a red dwarf capable of producing powerful flares, the kind of stellar outbursts that could bombard nearby planets with intense radiation. A world orbiting close enough to remain in the habitable zone might also be close enough to endure constant atmospheric stress. That means any life on Proxima b would have had to adapt to a hostile environment. Perhaps it developed underground, shielded from radiation beneath rock, ice, or artificial structures. Perhaps it evolved in deep oceans protected by immense depths. Or perhaps an intelligent species learned to build protective cities, magnetic shielding systems, atmospheric control technologies, or vast energy networks designed to survive beneath a dangerous sky. If they did, their technology could be far beyond our own. The mysterious glow raises even more questions. What powers it? Electricity, solar energy, geothermal systems, or something far more advanced? Could it be energy harvested directly from the red dwarf itself, from magnetic fields, from fusion, or from a technology so different that we would not even recognize it at first?